In Japanese, you can use the wa and ga particles together in the following structure. X, wa, y, ga, in order to express that y triggers certain feelings for X, or to express that y is a specific ability of X and describing it. This is often used with adjectives such as suki or jouzu, respectively. For example, watashi wa sushi ga suki desu, which literally means about me, sushi is liking, or more simply, I like sushi. In conversations, when it's clear from context who you are talking about, you don't have to explicitly state the topic. For example, if I were to say this all of a sudden, then it's pretty clear from context that I'm talking about myself. So instead, I could just say, sushi ga suki desu. In this case, because I like sushi, it triggers a feeling of happiness for me. We could also say, sono hito wa nihongo ga jouzu desu, which literally means about that person, Japanese is skillful, or more simply, that person's Japanese is really good. In this case, Nihongo is an ability of sono hito, and we are describing it with jouzu. Please follow for more Japanese tips.